So today is Sunday, March 19, and I think it's 9:34 a.m. But I bought this so that I can grind. It's a coffee grinder, so I can grind up Ghengis. His prescription food is fiber, so it's kind of hard. And I don't know if he had like an abscess, but this is his medication he's been taking. It's almost gone. It's an antibiotic and a pain medicine. So he's been taking it since last Saturday. He's hungry right now, so I'm gonna grind that out, and then I mix it with these soup packages. So, okay, boy. So I just put a cup of his prescription food in, and he's waiting. And I think I just looked at it because I was like, how do I turn it on? You just put so, okay, that's decent. Even though I wanted more, because I was using the hammer. I was using the hammer and on the floor trying to grind it up. So I'm gonna mix that package in, and because I don't know if he had an abscess. So if he did, but he's able to still get the fiber he needs. So let's see. Oops, I spilled some. Goodness. He can smell it too. So this came out pretty good. So this has been working really good for him, because I know they mentioned he may need dental work. So this works good for him, and he enjoys those packages, but it doesn't help his digestive system. But with some of this, his regular food, it helps. So I noticed, I was like, let me try to grind it up. So when you have mental clarity, things that come to you, how you can improvise and still give your pet what they need. I guess in another life, maybe I was veterinarian or something. I don't know, but I'm so happy it's working for him. And this saves me a lot of time right here.